Wait, what should we do? Should we cross the road? We're going slow. You can go fast if you like. Change the gear if we get it. What is hard? Yeah, be careful. Your brakes working properly. Track them. We're not fit. Uphill struggle. Yeah. Oh, we made it up the hill, and we made it up to the swings. Just make sure you can take your weight. Yeah. Keep your helmet on, probably.
Yeah, I don't know if it's strong enough.
Well, no, it will be. It will be.
Okay. It's a bit wonky.
Well, it's wonky. Hold on. Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, that was better.
Yeah, that was better.
Wait.
See, the piggies, the little piggies with their mummy over there. Should we go? Dark Crow! Okay. Stick behind me, yeah? We're here. Get down over there, over there. See the table. See the table. But we're not going there, we're going to Kidmore End. Go to see Amanda, who's working. You have to look left, look right. We're in Gallows Tree Common. We just crossed Horse Pond Road, which is our road. It's for the benefit of the tape. Oh, look at this.
Skidmore End.
Well, here we are, the new inn. Hello. Should we put him inside?
Second pub.
Second pub.
Now I'm just...
Oh, look at all those